Ooh, we ready to go now. I'll be back, little three-wheeler. Alright, let's not get copyrighted. Boom! $120 later. Boom! I told you, three-wheeler, what was I gonna bring you? Ooh-wee. And I've already ridden this thing. I just didn't bust out the GoPro because I was just riding it quickly. It was very cold when he started it, and it probably took maybe like 2 seconds, maybe 2.5 seconds to start up after hitting the E-start, you know, a little bit of choke and starting it up. But I had my hand right on the headers when he started. But yeah, he took some things out of this quad for his quad. He didn't do this. This was like that when he got it. But you know, some other things like the plastics are a little messed up, but it's really not too bad. I know he took some other cosmetic things. I think he might have taken like this panel and then the panel on the other side. We'll get right back into it and I'll catch you when we are inside of this little engine bay. I mean battery bay. New battery in, all installed. Let's see if it works. We did something right. And I don't know if the choke works because this cable is kind of moving freely, so I'm gonna try to put the camera down and hold it and pull it to see if it'll pull the choke. Yeah, if anything, it might be being pulled right now. Yeah, don't look at all those zip ties. Alright, day 2. I got the little tripod with me. I'm not going to go too crazy. I don't even have my helmets because they're still at my other place. So I'm just going to go ride out, get some glasses on. This is day 2 with the 350D. Let's see if she starts right up. Battery should be holding. Wow, started right up. Hell yeah. Gotta love that shit. Gotta love Honda, man. And I don't even think that's the choke being on. Yeah, you can tell it's not fully frozen there. So that means the whole thing really ain't fully frozen, but shit, we out here. I already got 4-wheel drive kicking in. Going up these little hills. I'm just testing it. And man, it goes right over and starts to eat. This thing ain't playing no games. This thing is a unit. This thing is climbing like nothing. I'm just riding around in 2nd gear. Yeah, we're just spinning. Went all the way into 4th gear and we're just fucking spinning. So I know I can slowly dabble into going in the water a little bit. Yeah, see that little dark spot? That's how you know it's not fully frozen yet. Yeah, I'm like riding on the edge of sand, dirt, and the water. Let's see, let's climb something. Let's climb this. Oh. Let's drop down, go down a gear. We're in neutral, right back a little bit. We're gonna attack it with a little more speed. Look at that, it is eating like nothing. Well, we made it. I just had to put my other hand on the handlebar. So we just sliding. Yeah. Let's go find a little spot. Who would have done such a thing?